Hey there, welcome to Foundation Armor. Today, we're going to answer the question, how do I tell what type of sealer I have on my concrete? Well, the easiest way to determine if you have a water-based or solvent-based acrylic sealer currently on your concrete is to run a xylene test. Now, to run a xylene test, saturate a roller with xylene and roll over the same 1 foot area for about 30 to 60 seconds until the sealer gets tacky. Once the sealer gets tacky, roll it out and allow it to recure. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind when doing a xylene test. First, be sure to keep the roller saturated with xylene. If the roller dries out, there may not be enough xylene to accurately run the xylene test. Second, don't wash the xylene off the surface. Roll it out as you would a coating and allow it to remain dry overnight. Third, apply the xylene in the late afternoon or early evening when air and surface temperatures are declining and when the surface of the concrete is cool. If you apply the xylene in the morning or midday, you could end up with bubbles reoccurring in the cured coat. Fourth, don't apply xylene to the entire area. Instead, mark off a 1 foot area in an inconspicuous area. If the xylene causes the sealer to delaminate, you don't want to have to repair a large area. All right, once the xylene test is complete, it's time to figure out what you have down. Xylene will re-emulsify a solvent-based acrylic and turn into a liquid again. If the xylene turned the acrylic into a liquid and it recured looking the same or even better, you likely have a solvent-based acrylic sealer down. Now, it's important to note that xylene can't be used to repair a water-based acrylic. In fact, xylene will have little to no effect on a water-based acrylic. If the acrylic appears to look rejuvenated but doesn't become sticky or tacky and eventually returns to a dull or faded appearance, you likely have a water-based acrylic sealer down. If you rolled over the 1 foot area, keeping the roller saturated with xylene for more than a couple of minutes, and the surface didn't become noticeably sticky or tacky, then you likely have a water-based acrylic sealer down. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to visit www.foundationarmor.com for more great videos and to purchase professional-grade concrete sealers and coatings. See you next time.